What is up, YouTube? So today we are on the all-new 2021 Seadoo GTX Limited 300. New ski, finally bought it. Was able to get lucky enough to find one. Everywhere's out of skis. Ski's got like 20 hours on it now. I got it 2 weeks ago. Just had to get a new GoPro. We're now filming on a GoPro Hero Max. So we got 360 action and we got regular video, and so it should be pretty good for the videos. But this ski right now is dead stock, getting some upgrades for it. I'll have to post on later on and show y'all what's up with it. But right now we're just going to do a little review on it, a little top speed test with it being stock. And you know, this awesome LED screen, so different compared to my RXT. I actually sold my RXT to a guy on Lake Hartwell. So if y'all ever see him on my ski, you know, that's who owns it now. I'm no longer the owner of that ski, so I only have a GTX Limited 300 and a GTX Limited 230. So hope y'all enjoy. So as you can see, I was only going 71. I don't know if the camera was able to hit it because that screen, but my max speed is 73, like with me under the ski. So I mean, it'll hit 73, governor kicks in, brings it back down to 70, but you know, it has so much power, especially putting it in sport mode. But hopefully we'll get some upgrades put on it pretty soon. Probably gonna go with JP Racing. I went to Riva last time. I want to test him out, see how he's going. You know, we'll see. Get this ski running pretty quick though, so we'll do some 360 riding and let y'all see how y'all like it. Here it is. It's the new GTX 300 Limited 2021. Hope y'all enjoy the video. More content soon to come when this thing starts getting some higher speeds, when we get it faster, and then we're going to race some skis with it. Hopefully we'll be able to find some faster skis than we did last year, but you know, the channel's been doing great. About to hit 1,000 subs, so y'all help me get there, and I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you.